Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Monday, May 26th. She got it right. How about that? So, guys, y'all got y'all's tea, y'all's coffee, y'all smoothie, y'all ginger ale, y'all orange juice. Water is good. Lemon water with some lime is good. Whatever it is that you drink. Remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. All right, y'all? I have strawberries, mangoes. Let me see. Strawberries, mangoes. Oh gosh. No. Sorry. Strawberries, mango, turmeric, cinnamon, pepper. What else did I put in here, y'all? Oh my gosh. Pineapple. It's something else that I'm missing. Pineapple, mango, strawberries. Okay, pineapple, mango, strawberries. Turmeric. Like I said, a little bit of lemon. I squirted some lemon in here. So this is my choice for today. Welcome to Tea Time. So guys, the Bible speaks about, and even if it didn't speak about it, I would just believe, and it holds true, that when you go through this life and you are in alignment with yourself and where you're supposed to be in your life, you are going to be shut off, and people are going to think like you're strange or something like that. But the Bible speaks about when you want to do different or want to be in alignment with Him, you have to turn from those wicked things. So you have to transform your mind away from this world, right? So that you are not of the world, you are of Him. So you are showing all the things that are in alignment with Him. So you're going to be peculiar, you're going to be frowned upon, you're going to be looked at, you're going to be criticized, ostracized, talked about, lied on, all those things, because you are in alignment with Him. So I don't know who this message is for, but I'm here to give it to you, okay? So don't worry about those who think something may be wrong with you or any of that nature. It is because there's something wrong with them, and they choose not to change in the right way and to do the right things. They rather be of this world, okay? You can be in this world, but you don't have to be of this world. And I love it. I love that I am in this world. I don't have to be of this world. You know why? Because I have let you. This is just me personally, and this is for you, whoever this message is for. And I know it's for somebody. You don't have no stress. The bad people, bad seeds, they are away from you. You don't have to worry about, oh my God, here they come with their stupid stuff, or you just have so much peace and so much freedom. You just do, especially if you're in alignment. So if you're in alignment with the people that are you supposed to be in alignment with, it's going to be good. But for those that are not, it's going to be bad. So you got to get away from that. You got to set yourself aside, and you have to do it by the renewing of your mind, like the word says. And for all of you who, the universe and all that other stuff, the good energy, that's true. Good energy, just keep the good energy in your life. Keep the good energy around. People don't really realize this, but when you are in alignment with Him and you're in yourself and the world, the earth, you can feel that energy that is not good for us. So I don't know who this word was for, but I'm here to give it to you. I gave it to you. Hope you received it. Guys, I will see you in the next episode of Tea Time. Toodaloo. I got to go. Okay? I got to go to work. Bye-bye. Hey, you all. What is going on? Y'all, I'm like super tired. Hella tired. I'm serious tired. I'm tired. But I'm just sitting here. Well, actually not sitting. I'm laying down on the couch. Just woke up from a needed nap. I've been taking a nap for the last couple of days trying to take one because I think it's important that we take a nap. But yeah, I think I made a mistake too. I think I mentioned that it was. I think I told y'all Happy Monday. Today is not Monday. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday the 20th. I don't know, y'all. What is it today? Is it the 26th? No. Yesterday was the 26th. And I think I said it was the 25th. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But I think today is the 27th, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah. I was trying to watch something, but there's nothing on regular television. But yeah, guys. Woo! Glad you guys been enjoying the last couple of videos. I'm going to go in the back and I'm going to show y'all something that I attempted to do, and I started doing it. I started doing it once I came home and I got a little tired, and then I just came in here and tried to watch something and I ended up falling asleep. So then I give y'all a reason why I started to even do something with this thing. Do y'all want to see what I'm talking about? Or she just rambling and rambling? So let's go in the back and let's see what she's talking about. Y'all, I did take the chair. I did take the chair out of. Y'all, okay. I did take the chair out of the back room because I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Even though the chair was in there, I don't usually sit in that chair. Nobody was sitting in that chair, so I put it in the back in the family room for now, and I switched out over here. If you can see, this wall is blank. I got rid of that canvas that I end up stitching together because y'all, if y'all know me, y'all, I really love. I know I have things in my house, and a lot of you in the comments be like, "You ain't no minimalist." I believe I am because I don't have a lot. You don't have to. I'm not cluttering up this house with a lot of stuff. I'm just not. So now I'm in debate of should I put the mirror, this one here, put it right there. But then again, I'm not sure. It's like I keep going back and forth. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. But right now we're gonna leave it blank because I like that. Y'all, every wall in your house don't have to have something on it. It doesn't. But anyway, let me take y'all. I got a sink of dishes to put up. Let me take y'all. Okay, so let me just take y'all. Let me take you guys in there, and then I can show you what I was doing. We don't have no outfit of the day, but if you guys want to call this an outfit of the day, she on a baseball cap, a little black tank. She got on her sweats. She don't have no shoes on right now, but oh, let me show you guys. There's another baby outside. Can y'all see her? Hold on, let me open the door. Can y'all see the new baby right here? There's a new baby there. I can't zoom in, but she's right there. So, yeah, without further ado, y'all. Why does it keep playing? It rains and then it stops. It rains and it stops. We're supposed to have a severe thunderstorm, but I can't see anything happening right now. But I'm going to take you guys back here, and I'm going to show you what I was working on. Okay? So I'm going to put y'all here. So here's the chair. Y'all, this video is just going to be everywhere. Not everywhere, but you guys will get it. Let me turn y'all around some more. Okay. So can y'all see? Can y'all see this? Can y'all see this? Okay. I think this is better. Okay. So you guys, sorry for the smoke detector, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Let me I'm trying to get y'all positioned so the camera won't fall down either. So is that cool? Hold on, y'all. All right. Let's try this. Let's try putting it right here, and then maybe it won't fall. Okay, so do you guys remember this picture right here, this piece of artwork? So let me show y'all. You see this? This is a lady. This is abstract art. I mean, not abstract art, but this is a shadowing of a woman's silhouette. Okay, so if you guys remember, I had this other picture frame with the glass right here that I had in the hallway, but I had put like black and white and gray scribble scrabble painting on it. Okay, I decided I didn't like it. So I said I'm gonna go ahead on and mimic this one for like as a man, a shape of a man. And I think I did really good. So this is how far. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. This is the lady right here. This is the man. Look at his arms. Look at his strong arm. This is the hand, just like hers. And then I did this stronger spine than the lady, because this back is strong. And then did it like a more of a deeper, bold, piece there. So I'm gonna put these in the bathroom. I'm gonna continue to work on it some more because I can do that. I was trying to make like right here a little bit more broader, like a man's face. See how her neck is skinny? I'm making his neck really, really big, but I didn't want to do too much, so I think I'm gonna end it right there, and then I'll probably show you guys in another video how that's looking. I tried to give him like an Adam's apple so you know it's a man, but so far I think it looks good, y'all. I do. I like that. So look, that's what it looks like. So all I have to do is just put her back in her casing. So yeah, that is what I was working on today, y'all. That is all I got for y'all today. This room is like my mellow chill out room where I like just relaxing and talking to you guys. I think this is gonna be my room where I probably do a lot of filming and get a lot of light. Babies are doing good. Oh, let me show y'all real quick. I'm just noticing it right while I'm sitting here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Y'all look at that. I just showed y'all that. Absolutely beautiful. Ooh, 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 ooh. So, guys, without further ado, she is going to end this video. I'm about to take another nap. I'm about to go back and take a nap. But guys, let me know in the comments, what do y'all think about what I did? I love that. Let me give y'all another up close and personal. Let me see if we can do better over here. Look at that. That's the lady I bought from the bins. And this is the male version that I did. And this is just the board, y'all. Look, I did it on the back of it. And then this was the paper that goes, and I just left it in here so I could have me like something to trace. But yeah, let me know in the comments, what do y'all think? And I'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. Remember, love yourself, okay? Because I love myself. I love me. Not in a conceited way, but I just love me. So that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. See you guys tomorrow.